Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Task Manager Access Denied error on Windows 11. First, try opening Task Manager with administrator rights. Press the Windows key and type Task Manager. Right-click on Task Manager and select Run as Administrator. When the User Account Control window appears, click Yes. Once Task Manager opens with elevated permissions, try ending the task or performing the action again. In many cases, this is enough to solve the problem. If you still get the error, the issue may be related to file or account permissions. Locate the file or program that is causing the problem. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Security tab and click Edit. Select your Windows account from the list. Under Permissions, check the Full Control box in the Allow column. Click Apply and then click OK. After updating the permissions, try the action again. If a process still refuses to close, you can force it to stop using Command Prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type task_kill/f/im process name.exe. Replace the process name.exe with the actual name of the process you want to close. For example, task kill/f/im explorer, exe. Press Enter and Windows will attempt to forcefully end the process. Thanks for watching.